Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Speak Wisely English. I am your trainer Chetan Bish. Again I am back with a new interesting grammar session. Yes, आज हम बात करेंगे दो ऐसी verbs की और you can say two different types of verb. Like most often people get confused or they just get wrong while they are trying to use these two different types of verb. वो कौन सी ऐसी दो verbs हैं? Let's get started with one example. As you can see, this marker or you can say as a pen. I am holding this marker or I am holding this pen. और I can say this sentence in two different ways. वो different way क्या हो सकते हैं? I can say I am having a pen. अभी इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ 2 मिनट के लिए यहाँ से. और I can say I have a pen. अगर मैं आपसे बात करूँ इन दोनों में से कौन सा सेंटेंस सही है? Some would say this one is also right. I am having a pen, and some would say this one, I have a pen. This is right, but according to the grammar, this one is wrong. Yes, you might be thinking, sir, this is the example of present continuous. So, as per the grammar rule के हिसाब से this is right. But this have is a verb, but it is not an action verb. ये आपकी action verb नहीं है, ये आपकी है state verb. Yes, it's a state verb. Yes. Some people must not be knowing what is state verb, so let me make you clear what is state verb. State verbs वो verbs होती हैं जिनमें हम ing use नहीं करते हैं, और you can say that cannot be used with continuous form. Continuous, whether you talk about past continuous, present continuous and future continuous. And action verbs जो आप सभी जानते हैं, जैसे come हो गया, come आपकी coming बन जाती है, reach आपकी reaching बन जाती है, go आपकी going बन जाती है. Action verbs can be used, I am rubbing this. Action verb can be used with all tenses. जितने भी tenses आपको मालूम है 12 के 12 सभी के साथ हम action verb use कर सकते हैं. And but mark my point, the verb that are stative हम उनमें ing का use नहीं कर सकते हैं, और you can say in a simple term that cannot be used with the continuous form. So now let's come to some more stative verb. I have categorized the stative verb in 4 different categories, and what are those categories? Let's study them. See, I have categorized stative verbs according to their like feelings, you can say, opinions, or thoughts, you can say, or their position. So very first category is of verb of feeling and emotions. So feeling and emotions में, like you can see, I have written some verbs: need, want, like, prefer, love, hate, and some more verbs are there. और बहुत सारी verbs होती हैं. So as I have told you, stative verb में ing का use नहीं करते हैं, तो आप ऐसे कभी नहीं कह सकते I am needing money. You could say I need money. I am wanting you. It's wrong. I want you. He is wanting me. It's wrong. He wants me. Second category, opinion and thought. Suppose, understand, agree, remember. इससे पहले हो सकता है कि आप लोगों ने इन शब्दों में, इन वर्ड्स में ing का यूज़ किया हो, बट नहीं करते हैं while speaking terms. So the word you can see agree. You cannot say this like I am agreeing with you. You have to say I agree with you. थर्ड वन, वर्ब ऑफ पोजेशन, हैव, possess, own, belong. ये भी आपके सब स्टेटिव वर्ब्स हैं. लाइक दिस वन, वर्ब ऑफ सेंसेस. सेंसेस में कुछ वर्ब्स आती हैं, सी, हियर, स्मेल, लुक. सम मोर वर्ब्स आर देयर. बहुत सी और वर्ब्स होती हैं, बट सम फ्यू वर्ब्स आई हैव रिटन हियर. नाउ दिस लास्ट वन, मैंने यहाँ पे एक शब्द लिखा है, वर्ड लिखा हुआ है नोट. नोट दैट मीन कुछ ऐसी वर्ब्स हैं जो बोथ स्टेटिव एंड एक्शन वर्ब्स होती हैं. आपकी जैसे बी हो गया, have हो गया, see हो गया, taste हो गया. You can use ing with these verbs also. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप इसमें फर्स्ट फॉर्म का यूज़ करें, आप ing भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, because these verbs are both stative and active. Now as you can see, I have written 1 2 3 4 8 examples over here. Now we would check each and every example which one is right or which one is wrong, or you can say which one is stative verb or which one is of action verb. चलिए बात करते हैं. The very first example, he likes ice cream. Is it right or wrong? अगर आप चेक करें, like एक आपकी stative verb होती है, so it is right. अगर इसमें ing का यूज होता है, if I would have said he is liking ice cream, then it is wrong. Stative verb continuous form में यूज नहीं होती, जैसे पहले बता चुका हूँ. Second one, are you understanding me? जैसे हिंदी में आप बोलते क्या मुझे समझ रहे हो, इट इज़ रॉन्ग. हिंदी में इट इज़ राइट, क्या मुझे समझ है. बट इन इंग्लिश अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज ऑल्सो अ स्टेटिव वर्ब, सो वी कैन नॉट यूज ing. You can say, do you understand me? Yes, now the sentence is right. Moving third, I am needing money. Again you will say, this is an stative verb. It comes under feeling and emotions. I am needing money, it's wrong. अगर आप इसको सेंटेंस बनाना है, you would say I need money. We cannot use ing with the stative verb. बता चुका हूँ मैं आपको पहले ही. Fourth one, he is scolding me. ing इसमें लगेगा? Yes or no? बिल्कुल लगेगा, as this scold is an action verb. तो आप एक्शन वर्ब में स्कोल्डिंग का यूज कर सकते हैं, ing का यूज कर सकते हैं. Moving to this, I am having a fever. I have told you earlier the example. I am having is wrong. Sorry. मैंने यहाँ पे I am नहीं मेंशन किया हुआ है. Sorry for the mistake. I am having a fever. It's wrong. You would say I have a fever. Now this one, he is wanting a laptop. Try it. कोशिश करें खुद से बनाने की. What would be the sentence? Drop your answer in the comment box. बिल्कुल. Now he is wanting a laptop. As you can see, want एक आपका वर्ब होती है. ing इसमें आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. It is right, but it is an stative verb, so you cannot mention ing with want. अगर आपको सेंटेंस बनाना हो प्रेजेंट में तो you would say he wants laptop. Now this sentence is right. Like this one, it is seeming to rain. क्या लगता है, सही हो गलत होगा? बताएं. No, it's wrong. Again, seem एक आपका स्टेटिव वर्ब होता है. It is wrong. अगर सेंटेंस बनाना है तो कैसे बनेगा? It seems to rain. Yes, now it's right. I was teaching yesterday. Stative और एक्शन वर्ब. टीच आपका एक एक्शन वर्ब है. Now it is right. It will go. It is fine. आप यूज कर सकते हैं ing because this is a normal action verb. I hope guys you must have understood the difference between a stative verb and action verb. So if you like this video, then do share it. Subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video so patiently. Thank you so much. Thank you.